Hello guys, this is MuscledRider and once again welcome back to the channel. We are back in the car after a long time, and we are going for the third service of the Ford Figo Titanium diesel. I hope the camera angle is correct. Okay, so yeah, we are going for the third service of the Ford Figo Titanium diesel, and as I have shown that there are some problems caused due to the mice. There are many problems caused due to the mice, just like the ABS light keeps on blinking while I drive the car, seat belt warning keeps on showing while I drive the car, and the front grille, the rubber grille under the wiper, is all destroyed by the rats. So there is something major result for this service at least. And as this is a paid service, this is a third service, so it will be a fully paid service. So this service will cost, I don't know what will the service cost. So once the service is done, I will be posting every detail in the video. And for now we are heading to the service center. So what happened after we went to the Ford service center? It was a weekend, so there was very much rush at the service center, and after waiting there for almost 3 to 4 hours, so they attended our car. So as we needed the car as soon as possible, obviously it was a weekend, so we needed the car for a use, so we decided to service it on the next weekend. We decided to service our car once again, but not from the Ford's authorized service center this time. So we had a trusted mechanic over here, so he services most of the cars, most of the newer cars. So he has all the scanner and everything which is needed to scan the car, scan the ECU of the car and other things, other bits. So we went to him. So we went at the shop, and obviously the first thing, he tested the car. He said that the oil needs to be changed, because even though we have ridden the car for 15,000 kilometers, the oil was very old. As mentioned in the Ford service book, Ford Figo service book, diesel Figo service book, the oil should be changed after every 10,000 kilometers or after every 1 year, whichever comes first. So obviously the oil needed to be changed with the oil filter, brake fluids needed to be checked, brake pads needed to be changed, and front wiper grille, that is also called as the cowl trim. So the cowl trim needed to be placed with an prior order. So obviously he was ready to place an order with the Ford, but we decided to check it in the other way. So we went to the CST market Kurla. Obviously there are no new parts available at that market, but obviously you can buy the parts for cheaper price. Obviously they are used of the old cars. So we found one at around 1300 rupees, and the new obviously cost at around approximately 3000 rupees, but the old one which we got from the Kurla CST market, that was an absolute perfect 100% fit, and as you can see in the video, that was an absolute fit. So that costed for around 1300 rupees. Parts which I am mentioning, the parts or the lubes which I am mentioning, I will mention the cost in the video on the screen. We got the oil, fully synthetic oil for the diesel engine, and obviously the oil filter, official oil filter. Now the oil filter for the EcoSport, 1.5 liter TDCI EcoSport, Freestyle and the Figo, all the engines are same, so the same oil filter is used for all the 3 engines. So this way we serviced our Ford Figo titanium diesel. This was the third service. We had completed about 15,000 kilometers. The third service happens to be at 20,000 kilometers. We had already crossed 1.5 years. The third service was much needed, and plus all the lights were blinking on the dashboard, so we decided to do the third service. So this was the third service of the Ford Figo diesel titanium TDCI. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to service your car from external mechanic or your trusted mechanic, this all points can be noted. So I will meet you guys in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.